Welcome back, everyone. Jim here. I'm getting ready to do this piece of white birch, paper birch. They have different names for it. And I'm going to be using the DeWalt sander that was in an earlier video that I unboxed. This will be the first time I've used it. I'm going to hit this with 80 grit first, see how well that does. And then once I have it smoothed on both sides, I'm going to move down to 120. And then if it appears to be smooth enough for, it's going to be a butcher block type situation or a hot plate trivet, I'm just going to cover it with some butcher block oil. This is what I'm going to be treating it with. So, let's get going. First, you gotta get my respirator on because I don't know what kind of dust this is going to put out my glasses. So I won't be doing too much talking. Well, that does a pretty good job. The router marks from the router table, I can still feel them, and it's funny because I can still see the lines in here, even though it feels real smooth. Alright, so this very first test piece, I've got sanded, and I think I'll give it a shot with this butcher block oil, and we'll see what she looks like. I do believe I ought to shut the heater off. I don't want any open flame. Alright, let's see what we got. Looks nice. Alright, so we'll let that dry for 6 hours, lightly sand it again, and then apply another coat, and might even have to do that a couple of 3 times. But I'll get back to you when I have it finished, so you can see what the finished result is. And again, this is just going to be used for like a little cutting board, a trivet for a hot pot. Could be many uses. You know, at somebody's camp, when they want something rustic. I think this will work out nicely. All right, let's leave it alone at that. Thank you very much for watching. And I'll be back.